Hi, I'm Brooke from Quagensia, and in this video I will show you how to quickly download and import third-party strategies into Quagensia T Edition so that you can use them as is and customize them without code. Before we begin, it should be noted that you should only download files from the internet from sources you trust. This precaution is not a Quagensia thing. It is an internet thing which applies to every downloadable file on the internet. Let's get started. On the left side of Quagensia T Edition is the Algo Explorer. In this tutorial, we will be using the My Algos folder and the Downloads folder. The My Algos folder is where you should place all your Quagensia algo files, whether you create them yourself, create a copy of the free strategies from Quagensia and customize them without code, or download them from a third party and customize them without code. The Downloads folder is a shortcut to the folder on your computer where all your web browser initiated file downloads are saved. After you download Quagensia T Edition algo files from a third party using a web browser, right-click on the Downloads folder shortcut here and select the Open Folder menu item to open your machine's Downloads folder. If the downloaded algos are zipped up into a zip file, you'll need to unzip them first, as I will now demonstrate. In the Downloads folder on my computer, I have added a zip file with a simple Quagensia strategy and a simple Quagensia function in it so I can demonstrate what you need to do after you download zipped up Quagensia T Edition algo files from a third party. For demonstration purposes, let's pretend that I downloaded this zip file containing Quagensia T Edition algo files from a third party and I want to get them into the My Algos folder in Quagensia T Edition so I can use them as is and customize them without code. I will right-click on the demonstration zip file, select Extract All from the context menu that appears, then click Extract in the window that appears to finish extracting the simple Quagensia T Edition strategy and function from the zip file into a folder on my machine. Let's now open the My Algos folder in Windows File Explorer so we can copy the unzipped algo files into it. You can open the My Algos folder by right-clicking on it here and selecting the Open Folder menu item. You can copy the files into the My Algos folder the way you normally copy files between folders. Just make sure that the files you copy to your My Algos folder are in fact Quagensia T Edition algo files by ensuring that their file extensions are either QSTX or QFTX, which are the file extensions for Quagensia T Edition strategies and Quagensia T Edition functions respectively. Now that we've copied the demonstration algo files into the My Algos folder, let's organize them by creating a subfolder in the My Algos folder using Windows File Explorer the way you normally create folders. And then place the algo files into the subfolder. When you create, modify, or delete files or folders in the My Algos folder using Windows File Explorer, Quagensia will ask you if you want to reload the algo database so that the files and folders that exist on disk will be properly reflected in the Quagensia T Edition user interface. Clicking Yes will reload the algo database so you will see the changes reflected in the My Algos folder in Quagensia T Edition. There is the subfolder we created, and inside of it are the demonstration algos that we can open, use as is, and customize without code. Let's open the demonstration strategy by clicking on it and selecting Edit Strategy. Note that if your free trial has expired, it will say View Strategy instead of Edit Strategy. To backtest this strategy as is, you can generate its code and copy it to the clipboard by clicking this button titled Generate Code and Copy to Clipboard, then paste the strategy's code into TradeStation. You can customize this strategy without code and click this button to save your customizations, generate your customized strategy's code, and copy its code to the clipboard from where you can paste it into TradeStation. If your free trial has not expired, you can also make a copy of this strategy by clicking on it and selecting Create New Strategy from Copy of this strategy, changing its name, and saving the copy to your My Algos folder. Then you can customize it without code and click this button to save your customizations, generate your customized strategy's code, and copy its code to the clipboard from where you can paste it into TradeStation. You can learn how to customize strategies without code in Quagensia T Edition and backtest them in TradeStation by watching the Introduction to Quagensia T Edition video, which is linked to here. If the strategy downloaded from a third party has a blue rectangle like this one, it means that there is logic that is hidden in it. To view the logic hidden in a blue rectangle, click on one of them and select Show this item's details from the context menu that appears. You can hide the logic again by clicking the gear icon in the upper right of the expanded logic and selecting Hide this item's details. That's the end of our video. Thanks for watching. Download the free trial of Quagensia T Edition from Quagensia.com to get all our free, no-code trading strategies so that you can use them as is and customize them without code. Use the free trial period to create as many algos as you can because they are yours to keep after the free trial ends. Have a great day.